The generics. So generic provide a type safety to a code. It moves many error from runtime to compile time. Okay, so generic, it is basically it is used to take all the value as a generic function, means it is called the generalized class. Okay, तो in earlier version of programming, जो programming आमे earlier version use करुथिले, तो first of all आमे कौन करुथिले ना कौनसी variable टा store करिया पे आमे int define करुथिले, integer define करुथिले, and for function we define as a void then function name. The generic is provide you type safety which tells you that you can store any type of value. आमे गोटे variable रे जेकी value store करि परिबा, गोटे function रे जेकोनसी value store करि परिबा, जोटा कि आमे previous class रे discuss कले. So now main thing is what we have to go for another API of Java which is very important API, that is called the collection API. So earlier we know that for storing more than one value in a same location, which concept we are using? माने मोर देन वन वैल्यू आमे स्टोर करिबा गोटे मेमोरी लोकेशन ने, तो आमे कोटा यूज करिबा? ठीक कहबो दिशा, मनीषा, if you want to store more than one value in a same location, which thing we are using? Subham?
Array.
Yes, we are using array. The similar way, for storing more than one value in a same location, but if you want to store the different value, okay, and you have to store all the value in a object, that is a variable, but now we have to store all the value in a object. So in that cases we are using collection classes. The collection is a single object designed to store the group of the object. It doesn't hold the primitive type. It implements many data structure including stack, queue, dynamic array, and hash. The collection is a single object designed to store the group of object. It doesn't hold the primitive type. It implements many data structure like stack, queue, dynamic array, and hash. So these are the different structure that we are using for collection API. The collection API relies on the generic implementation. We are using java.util package to implement a collection classes. So java.util package is used to define a collection classes. The collection is a single object designed to store the group of object. It doesn't hold the primitive type. कौनसी primitive data type value is store करिवने, जेमते कि हमें कहि परिबा integer value, string value ये store करेने. It can store any type of value. It implement many data structure including stack, queue, dynamic array, and hash. Collection API, it relies on generic implementation, like classes are stored in the java.util package. Okay, so आमे collection classes जदि implement करिवा को चाहूचे त आमे util java.util package आमे use करिवा. तो here we are using the collection classes public, boolean. Okay, the collection classes under रे कोन आसीबो? एटा collection is a interface. ए जो structure टा देखौची एटा ला गोटे interface, गोटे मिनिट, this one, it is called as the interface. In this interface there is two classes, what we are using two interface, one is set interface, another is list interface. एटा दीटा interface रहइबो, गोटे रहइबो set, another is list. तापर रहइबो hash set. Hash set is another interface. Okay, तो hash set रहइला, hash set टा होची another interface. आ गोटे रहइला sorted set. Okay, तो ये hash set रहइला, एटा sorted set रहइला. sorted set जगह रे हमें tree set पास करले. तो ये जो collection हला interface, ए interface अंडर रे दीटा interface रहइला, गोटे set interface, गोटे list interface. ये जो set interface रहउची, set interface रे हमरो गोटे class रहउची hash set. hash set is a class which is implement a interface. interface को ही class use करिवो. एटी hash set होची class जे कि set interface use करिवो. देखो जोटा dotted line अछि, these are called as the class. Means hash set is a class tree set is a class, array list class, linked list is a class. Okay, and hash set, set interface, tree set এটা यूज करिवो सॉर्टेड सेट माने ट्री सेट जदि हमें यूज करू से एलिमेंट को सॉर्टेड करिवो तापर एटा रहला आरए लिस्ट को पुनी अगेंस्ट से सॉर्ट करिवो लिंक लिस्ट अगेंस्ट से लिस्ट अंडर रे रहइवो The following collection type is inherited from the collection classes. One is hash set, tree set, array list, and deck. Hash set, tree set, array list, and deck. These are the four type of collection class we are using. Hash set, tree set, array list, and deck. Okay. So these are the four things that we are implementing in the collection classes. List is another interface. It defines the generic list behavior. It helps to store the order collection of element. The list is another element. It store order collection of element. It defines the behavior of the collection class that exhibit the list behavior. It reference type is used to hide the implementation detail. The list is one interface. It defines the generic list behavior. It helps to store the order collection of element. When you store the element in the list interface, it is store in a order collection. Means what a particular order रे हमें element store करिवा. You can store any type of value here. Basically, this list interface is used in your what core Java or in your advanced Java while you are designing the website application. So why you are using list interface? Why you are not using array? When you are defining a array, it give you fixed length. Array रे हमें गोटे size define करूचे. Suppose 4 define करूचे, 5 define करूचे. That means that memory is fixed. But in the list interface, the memory is not fixed. Okay. At runtime, what are the values are come? That value is added in the object. So one by one, the values are object in the list interface. In list behavior, it adding the element at specific index. List is not directly implement. List is implement through a interface. गोटे interface through रे से show करिवो. First, आमे list रे कौन करिवा? Element को गोटे specific index रे में add करि परिवा. Elements are added at the end of the list. Getting the element based on the index, removing the element based on an index, overriding the element based on an index, and getting the size of the list. The list behavior, it add the element at specific index. You can add the element at specific index. जेमति कि array रा index number रहउतला, list रा भी सेमति index number रहिबो. आमे गोटे specific index रे element को store करि परिबा. And we can add the element at the end of the list, overriding the element based upon the index. We can override it and getting the size of the list. You can get the size of the list in the list behavior. Just 1 minute. एटा रहला लिस्ट बिहेवियर आमे जेंते डिस्कस कले लिस्ट डायरेक्टली हमर शो करी होबनी लिस्ट हमर आरए लिस्ट रे थ्रू ही हमें यूज करि परिबा एबे देखो लिस्ट रे कोन रहउची list is not directly implement, it is implement in the list collection. It is dynamically growable array. It has a numeric index. It allow the duplicate item. So it implement the list collection. It is called as the dynamic growable array. It has a numeric index. It allow the duplicate item. The array list is implement the list collection. It is called as the dynamic growable array. It has a numeric index. It allow the duplicate item. So that is called as your array list. Then set is another interface. List that contains only unique element, that is called as the set. It has no index. Okay, जेमती array list रहिला सेमती set is another interface. तो array list रे आउ set with a difference कोन रहिबा. In array list you can store the duplicate element, but set doesn't allow the duplicate element. Okay, The list that contain only unique element, it has no index, it doesn't allow the duplicate element. It is very important thing in array list. Array list is implementing a list. List hochi interface. List interface ta array list re use hobo. Set is another interface. Set ta puni amara tree set hash set re use hobo. तो लिस्ट आउ सेट ए दीटा होची गोटे दीटा होची अलग इंटरफेस. लिस्ट रे जेतेबेले हमें एलिमेंट टा स्टोर करिवा, एलिमेंट गुडा को रे हमें डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू स्टोर करि परिवा. सेट रे हमें यूनिक एलिमेंट स्टोर करि परिवा. तो लिस्ट दैट कंटेन ओनली यूनिक एलिमेंट, इट हैज नो इंडेक्स, it doesn't allow the duplicate element, it allow the iteration through its element to access them, it provided tree set for sorted implementation. Okay, आमे लिस्ट रे कोन होची सॉर्टिंग करि परिबा, सेट रे सॉर्टिंग करि परिबानी, केवल कोठी सॉर्टिंग करि परिबा ना ट्री सेट रे सॉर्टिंग करि परिबा. बुझियला शुभम, मनीषा, दिशा, आशीष?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Then comes to the map interface. Map, the collection that store the multiple key and value pair. It is called as the associative array in other language. So map is what? So you can say in list and set, in list you can access the element through the index number. List रे जेतेबेले हमें element टा store करिबा, list is a interface and that interface is added in the array list. That means what? Array list, you can get the value from the array list as array list contain the index number. So map is another interface that store the multiple key and value pair. It is called as the associative array in other languages. Okay, so map is called as the associative array in other language. Okay, the collection that store the multiple key and value pair. Okay, एठी कोन रहिबो ना, एठी की भी रहिबो आ गोटे वैल्यू भी रहिबो. सेट रे कोन होतला, खाली हमें वैल्यू रखुथिले, लिस्ट रे हमें वैल्यू रखुथिले, से वैल्यू को रिट्राइव करबा कहले हमें इंडेक्स नंबर थ्रू रे रिट्राइव करदेले. किंतु मैप रे कोन होबो, मैप रे हमें की थ्रू रे हमें वैल्यू को रिट्राइव करि चलिबा. द कलेक्शन दैट स्टोर द मल्टीपल की एंड वैल्यू पेयर, it is called the associative array in other language. That is a map interface. The map doesn't extend from the collection interface. It represents mapping, not a collection object. Map doesn't extend the collection interface. It represents mapping, not a collection. Okay, so map is another interface. Okay, it represents a mapping, not a collection object. That means एठी हमर कोन रहइबो, आरो कोनोसी प्रीडिफाइंड सीरियल नंबर नाही. एठी जो वैल्यू गुडा को स्टोर हुए, एठी रैंडमली वैल्यू स्टोर हुए, के को जगह रे स्टोर होबो तार कोनोसी अता पता नथिबो. किंतु तले हमें से जो कलेक्शन भितरु वैल्यू टाको केमति आनिबा, से कलेक्शन भितरु वैल्यू टाको आनिबा कहले हमको गोटे आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर बा गोटे की पास करिया पड़िबो. से की थ्रू हमें वैल्यू रिट्राइव करिबा. जेमति कि when you are registered for a college, हमें जेतले कॉलेज रे रजिस्ट्रेशन करूचे, so you have the roll number, and through the roll number or registration number you are getting your marks. And when anybody is asking your roll number, then you are telling that present sir or present madam. So that is called as a map interface. It store the element in the form of a, you can say it store the all the information in a particular collection, and you have to retrieve one value from them by using of key value. So tree map is what? Tree map is a map where key are automatically sorted. So here key are automatically sorted, that is called as a tree map. Next is hash table. Hash table class is a classic associative array implementation with key and value. Hash table class is synchronized. Hash table contains the two parts. One is key and another is value. So when you call the key, the value is come. When you call the value, then key will come. So key and value is synchronized. When you call the key, value comes. When you call the value, key is coming. That is for the hash table. It is called the classic associative array implementation. Hash map class is just like a hash table, except that it accepts a null key value and it is not synchronized. हाश टेबल कौन हुए ना की आउ वैल्यूटा सिंक्रोनाइज हुए सिंक्रोनाइज मीन्स जितेबाला मु की को कॉल करी वैल्यू आसीबो वैल्यू को कॉल कले की आसीबो जेमति कि सपोज मु ए क्लास रे रोल नंबर देबी रोल नंबर 1 2 3 4 मु 1 कॉल करी जरी शुभम आसीबो 2 कॉल कले आशीष आसीबो और एल्स मु नेम थ्रू रे कॉल करिवि मु जदि नेम कहिवि आशीष आशीष कहबा नंबर 2 दैट मीन्स व्हाट की एंड वैल्यू दैट बोथ आर सिंक्रोनाइज जेमने हमें कांटेक्ट नंबर कौन करिवा आइदर नेम रे सर्च करि परिबा नले हमें डायलिंग कांटेक्ट नंबर लिखिले ऑटोमेटिक नेम आसी जिवो बिकॉज़ योर की एंड नेम आर सिंक्रोनाइज okay like your contact number is synchronized with your mail account then when you change your what device from one device to the another device there is no need to copy all the contacts so automatically the contacts will come to your another device because this contacts is stored in the what in your mail account your mail account is synchronized with your device so what are the backup will there that backup will store in the mail account then मुझे तबले डिवाइस चेंज कर दउची मेल अकाउंट रे रजिस्टर कर दे मैंने पूरा टोटल बैकअप टा मो मोबाइल को आसी जीवो और मोर जो डिवाइस यूज करछे से डिवाइस को आसी जीवो so that is called as the map interface but here the key and value is not synchronized okay so now I go for one example of array list I go for array list example 1 So here we define public class array list example 1. I define array list string list object new array list 3. माने एठी array list रो मो तीनटा index number pass करी 3. Okay, now I adding the element array list string new array list 3. Okay, এই array list টা जोटा define करला एटा हमें कहि परिबा एटा जे generic class माने এই object टा केवल string type of value नबो. Object dot add मैं इतला add कोची mango तो mango add हला apple add हला list dot add banana add हला list dot add grapes add हला तो ये सब element one by one शो कला mango apple banana and grapes एटा मो रन कली. So CLS see that it is showing you mango apple banana grapes see that array list 3 देखो एटी कोन तुमे डिफरेंस कोन पाउछ तुमे जतरे array रे साइज दउछलो 3 दैट मींस इट इज फिक्स किंतु मु एटी साइज दउची 3 मु केतरा एलिमेंट स्टोर कली 1 2 3 4 चारटा एलिमेंट स्टोर कली बुझियला तने एटी आमे जेते चाहिबा सेते वैल्यू स्टोर करि पाइबा. इट इज अ डायनामिक ग्रोएबल array that means based upon your requirement the size is increases one by one. It is not fixed like in the array the size is fixed. If you give 4 that means only 4 value can store. बुझियला?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आशीष बुझी होची कटि गला. Okay, then next example I show you. See that it is showing you element in a list. It is a same program but here we are using iterator method. So array list string new array list dot add mango, list dot add apple, list dot add banana, list dot add grapes. So I am adding 4 element here. Mango, apple, banana, grapes, same thing. But here I use iterator method. Iterator method use कले कहाँ होगा? से आउ list रे value show करिवनी. से list रो गोटे गोटे element retry करी कि as a individual value मते शो करिवो तो iterator is a class which is traversing means getting one value from the list, traversing from the list the iterator object list dot iterator तो element टा मोर कोठु आनिवो list रू आनिवो iterator is what it is a method this method moving to each element माने जो list of element रो प्रत्येक element को से move करिवो move कला परे तापर सेठी चेक करिवो while object dot has next माने जे पर्यंत मोर एलिमेंट टा लास्ट पोजीशन में न पहुंची से पर्यंत मोर कर्सर टा मूव करिवो नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट को जे पर्यंत लास्ट एलिमेंट पर्यंत माने से जो लिस्ट रो लास्ट एलिमेंट को रीच न करिछि कर्सर कोन करिवो नेक्स्ट आइटम को जीवो सो नेक्स्ट आइटम को जीवा पई म एथि नेक्स्ट मेथड यूज करले एटा म रन करूछि mango, apple, banana and grapes. Mango, apple, banana and grapes. So these are the 5 element it is required. Clear? देखो एठी कोन होइतला एठी केमती आस्तला एठी देखो केमती आसीला बुझि पाइलो
Yes, sir.
okay so चलो in the next class मु आउ लिस्ट रा आउ एग्जांपल देखेबी काली 8:30 में okay चलो
Good night, sir.
good night
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.